Hey Sophias, how are you doing? Madam Sophie here again to do another eyeshadow tutorial. This time I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow tutorial using the New Real palette by Crayon case. So we're gonna pause for a cause. If you're new to the Madame Sophie channel, thank you for stopping by today. Thank you for taking time out of your day to stop by on the Madame Sophie channel, and I do welcome you. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe on your way out. Don't forget to hit that notification bell because you gotta be in the mix. You gotta be in this mix. You gotta be part of the Sophia squad because you're a sophisticated lady. So don't forget to subscribe as well as hit that notification bell to be in the mix. If you'd like to see how I came up with this fabulous, glamorous, fantastic, gorgeous, whatever you want to add to it, if you want to know how I came up with this look, let me zoom it in for you to see. If you want to know how I came up with this look, honeys, you better stay tuned, okay? So on to the tutorial, guys. Okay guys, so this is the final look I was able to achieve using the New Rule palette by the Crayon Case. This is actually my very first eyeshadow palette by the Crayon Case cosmetic company, and I am so in love with this birthday gift. Mrs. Woods, thank you so much for this gift. I am in love with this gift. I really love the look I was able to come up with, lady. Thank you for the wonderful birthday gift, and this is what I was able to get. So as you guys know, the Crayon Case New Rule eyeshadow palette has 12 nude shades. The nude shades, let me tell you, even if they're nude, because you know not all nudes show up on your eyes when you put it on. They call themselves nudes, but they're not really nudes, if you know what I mean. But this eyeshadow palette, it is definitely true to color. The colors in here are very pigmented. I was very surprised to see how the colors performed. These nude colors didn't come to play. Crayon Case, I am a new fan of yours, and I am so jumping onto that bandwagon. So that the New Rule eyeshadow palette has 12 nude colors, and these nude colors are really, really cute. I love the pigmentation of the colors. I really thought that they wouldn't really show up, but first impression is indeed the last impression, and I'm happy with the look I was able to achieve using this eyeshadow palette. As you guys know, I love adding a little glitter, a little glamour, you know, to my eyeshadow look. So today what I did was I went ahead and I used the FENG liquid glitter eyeshadow. This is actually a dupe for the Stila Cosmetics glitter liquid eyeshadow. So today I went ahead and I used color number 4. This is color number 4. Color number 4 kind of has this bronze look to it. So this is what I use to do all of these lovely glamorous details you're seeing on my eyes. In addition to that, I went ahead and I used my favorite eyeliner, my favorite liquid eyeliner. This is by Essence Cosmetics. This is the Super Last liquid eyeliner, and guys, it dries matte when you put it on. It does give you a matte black, and I'm pretty sure you guys were able to see that while I was applying that eyeliner onto my eyes. In addition to that, for lips today, I went ahead and I used the Crayon Case. This was also part of my birthday gifts. Miss Woods, girl, I'm loving this. I'm loving the gifts, girl. So I went ahead and I used the Crayon Case liquid matte lipstick, and this is Hell City, and Hell City is popping on my lips. I'm loving it. Before I went ahead and I put this liquid matte lipstick on my lips, I made sure that I lined my lips, and today I lined my lips with the matte lip liner by NYX Cosmetics. This is the suede matte lip liner by NYX Cosmetics, and I have it in the color Subversive. So this is what I have today on my lips. For highlighter today, I went ahead and I used the Master Chrome highlighter in the color Molten Gold. Unfortunately, I can't find it, but I'm pretty sure I did show you when I was using it in the tutorial. So this is what I used on my face today for highlighter. Now, to make everything look extra, I went ahead and I used this loose Moon Dust eyeshadow. The name of this is called Dazzle. Sorry, this is a Dazzle shadow by MAC Cosmetics, and I think it is called Slow Fast Slow. I believe that's the name of this. This color is amazing. It is definitely a game changer. It really added that pop to my highlighter. It definitely took my highlighter from one level to the next. Now for foundation today, I went ahead and I used my NYX Cosmetics Can't Stop Won't Stop liquid foundation. This is what I use to set my face. I went ahead and I used my CoverGirl face powder, setting powder in translucent honey. This is one of my favorites. One of my affordable favorites. In addition to that, for concealer, I went ahead and I used my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan Deep Sand for highlighting my under eye area. What else did I use? For lashes today, I don't know the name of these lashes, but it is by the Ardell's collection. So this is what I'm rocking today on my eyes. I think it's one of the glamorous lashes that they have in their collection. This is what I used for blush today. I went ahead and I used Did I even put blush? I didn't put blush on today. But for bronzer today, I went ahead and I used one of my favorites. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills Bronze Powder in the color Mahogany. This is the look I was able to come up with. I am so in love with this look. Is this palette Sophy approved? Yes. The Nude Blue eyeshadow palette by Crayon Cosmetics. This palette is indeed Sophy approved. Okay, if you're looking for a really good nude eyeshadow palette, I would definitely this is definitely a palette that I really appreciate having part of my collection. And I would definitely suggest this palette to someone who's not really into rocking bright colors, but into rocking nude colors. Now, since I did not purchase this eyeshadow palette, it was a birthday gift, I will be leaving the price of this eyeshadow palette somewhere on the screen, so you're gonna see it. So if look out for that if you're interested in purchasing this eyeshadow palette. Okay, Sophia, so that's gonna be it for today. This is the final look. I really hope that you guys loved this eyeshadow tutorial. I am so in love with this eyeshadow look. I don't think this camera gives this eyeshadow look enough justice, but I am definitely impressed. I'm definitely impressed by my first time using makeup eyeshadow from this brand. I'm definitely looking forward to using their chalk powders. I think I'm going to place an order in for that, and as soon as I do, I'll probably come on here to review it for you guys. But I am a new fan of the Crayon Cosmetics company. Thank you, my subscriber. Thank you to my subscriber and my friend, Miss Marette Woods, for this gift. It was definitely thoughtful of you, and I guess you know by now that I really appreciate it. Okay, so thank you so much, girl. To my subscribers, thank you for tuning in again. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new to the Madame Sophy channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell on your way out, and don't forget to be part of the Sophia's Mix. And you're gonna be part of the Sophia's Mix because you are a sophisticated lady. Yes, you are indeed. Don't forget to be amazing. Don't forget to be fabulous. Don't forget to be gorgeous. And don't forget to be Sophy. Bye, honeys.